So remember, these are the long U sound words, but not all of them will use the long U sound. Remember, it might be an OO, an OU, an EU, a UE, or it might have a U with a E on the end. So think carefully about what you've practiced. Number 1, spoon. Eat the soup with a spoon. Spoon. Number 2, goose. A goose is bigger than a duck. Goose. Number 3, booth. Brenda hid in an empty booth on the train. Booth. Number 4, gloom. Kyle was full of gloom when his friend moved away. Gloom. 5, rude. It is rude to yell. Rude. Number 6, tube. I can float on a rubber tube. Tube. Number 7, due. Your library books are due back today. Due. Number 8, clues. We need clues to solve the mystery. Clues. Number 9, true. Tell me a true story for once. True. Number 10, chew. Chew your food before swallowing it. Chew. 11, July. How do you celebrate the 4th of July? July. Number 12, look. Take a look at this picture. Look. Number 13, shook. Mr. Dean shook my hand. Shook. 14, notebook. My notebook has blue paper. Notebook. Number 15, could. You could try the game again. Could.